Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create compact layouts in Salesforce. Compact layouts are essential for controlling which fields display in the Salesforce mobile app and in the highlights panel at the top of record pages, making it easier to view key information at a glance. Let's start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. This gear icon is your gateway to setup, where you can customize virtually everything about your Salesforce environment. Once you click it, you'll be taken to the Setup menu. In Setup, locate and click on Object Manager. The Object Manager is where you'll find all the standard and custom objects in your Salesforce org, and it's the central hub for configuring how these objects behave and display information. Now, search for the object you want to edit. For example, if you're working with contacts, simply type contact in the search bar and click on its name when it appears. This will open up all the configuration options specific to that object. In the left sidebar of your chosen object, click on Compact Layouts. This section shows you all existing compact layouts for this object and allows you to create new ones tailored to your specific needs. Click New to create a brand new compact layout. This is where you'll start building the customized view that will display the most important information about your records. In the field label box, type a descriptive label for your compact layout. Something like Mobile Contact Layout works well because it clearly identifies both what it's for and where it will be used. Choose a name that makes sense for your team. Next, look at the available fields list on the left side. Here you'll see all the fields available for this object. Select the fields you want to include in your compact layout, keeping in mind that you can choose up to 10 fields. However, there's an important restriction: do not use text areas, long text areas, rich text areas, or multi-select pick lists, as these field types aren't supported in compact layouts. Once you've selected your desired fields, click the right arrow button to move them into the selected fields list on the right. This action confirms which fields will actually appear in your compact layout. Now it's time to organize your fields. Use the up or down buttons to reorder the fields in your selected fields list. The positioning matters here because the field at the very top will appear in bold text, drawing immediate attention to what you've designated as the most important piece of information. When you're satisfied with your field selection and order, click Save to save your compact layout. Your new compact layout now exists, but it's not yet active. To make your new compact layout the primary one, click on Compact Layout Assignment in the left sidebar. This is where you control which compact layout is actually being used for the object. Click Edit Assignment to modify the current settings. This opens up the assignment interface where you can choose which layout should be the default. In the Primary Compact Layout drop-down menu, select your newly created compact layout from the list. This designates it as the default layout that all users will see. Finally, click Save to complete the assignment. Your compact layout is now active and will display on mobile devices and in the highlights panel for all users viewing this object. And there you have it. You've successfully created and assigned a compact layout in Salesforce that will streamline how information appears across different platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.